This tutorial is a way to show you how to save some items, whether it be searches or particular items that you wanted to save for the future so you can cite them later, or if you have ongoing research, you can also set up notifications to let you know about new items that fall under your search in OneSearch, a particular search. So we're going to do a sample search here in OneSearch, and it's pretty easy. I'm signed in here, so you're going to make sure that you're signed in so you can favorite these items and then they will go to your account and just stay there. So let's say I like this query, this search. I'm going to click on Save Query, and it's going to keep this search. Now up here it's going to say turn on notifications for this query. I'm going to go ahead and click on that link, and it's going to confirm my email. So this is the email I want it to send to, and I'm going to save that. So that's going into my favorites over here. You can always manage your favorites by going to this link. Go to my favorites. You can also add to your favorites with particular individual items. So I'm going to click on, if you just click on the pin on each item here that you would like to save, you can add them to your favorites. And I will show you. When we click on this, we can see all our saved records, the individual items we just added. There's the saved searches. And then here's a recent search history. So I believe this is just recent for this browser. So those don't always keep everything that you've searched, but recent searches definitely. These saved searches will stay, and the saved records will stay. Now there's a really nice feature for adding labels to items within your saved items. So that would be nice for categorizing some of the things that you've found, to sort them out amongst your varied research. So let's say I wanted to add a label to these three. So I'm going to select them, and then I'm going to go up here to add labels. And I already have some labels here, but I'm going to add a new label. And I'm just going to enter it and type it in and press enter. And it just added those. So over here, I've got those three that I tagged as future, and then I have these that I've tagged as archival items, and you can see the tag down here. So you can sort them now that you have them. It's really a great feature. You can also go into individual items and create a citation. You can send the citation of your saved item to a management system for bibliographies like RefWorks or EasyBib or EndNote. You can also choose the type of citation. You always have to double check these though. These are not always perfect, but they will get you started, and then you can refine them from there. But APA, Chicago, MLA, and you can copy a citation to the clipboard, or you can do lots of things right here. So these are really great tips on how to save things to your favorites, retrieve them later. For more tips and tricks, check our OneSearch 10 Tips website. Thank you.